Alright, so found something not as great on this Leer topper. So one, they screwed the aluminum skin on, and those are the rubber and metal roofing washers. And of course, where all those are, there's a puddle. It's been raining most of the morning. And then the roof is it's two pieces of aluminum with a seam. I really expected that they would be able to make aluminum to go from there to there in one piece. So, yeah, that looks a little less than professional. So, if you really care what the top of your rig looks like, that's what it looks like. So it ain't welded on all the seams, and they just screwed the top on. It ain't leaking inside though, but who knows after some of them screws start loosening up. I really didn't think they would screw it in from the top. And there's maybe some tape on the top of those, it looks like right in there. So yeah, that part's kind of a little disappointing. I thought it would be smooth because that's what it looked like on the showroom floor.